Ki khubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Orange Nissan Lumso po near Fire Brigade Shillong.
Admissions are open at BDW International School. Enroll now.
Kesorkar jela haduk menta kadang yai apsa ya kejing terwa naga tenat penroisor ha kabaya deibat kejing shna penbha ya kejaka bala shimti naga hima melim kabadan hatam yo maulong usembut menteri rangba jong kejela ba preston tensong habaya keren mat kilat pathai khubor haga khat khandai tarik ubenai naiweng arajar arpuwei ulaya thu ba kesorkar ka angnot ba tenat penroisor kan pha no marmar ya kejing terwa namar ba haduk menta 4 la setiaban tip hagano kom kani katanat kaperkhat ban penkelador ya kani kejaka.
Now we are waiting from Urban Affairs Department. What is the plan? How do they go forward? Because now they need to also plan it out. That place is to be converted into what? So maybe in the near future, Urban Affairs Department will bring up the proposal to the cabinet, and then the cabinet will take necessary decision. Yes, they already. I think they are in the final stage of repairing. I think by next week they'll complete the polish. The final polishing, repair this that. I am sure within this month, shifting will take place. I have nothing to say. That is their opinion. No presumption, but I'm telling you, we have to strictly follow due process of law. That we have to do. Due process of law has to be followed.